Now you can get your Tinnitus Recovery Score. It's a free service. Real solutions for most tinnitus cases are never easy, and some are crazy expensive. So now you and everyone else will have access to the free online Healthy Brain Map tool that will tell you if a particular tinnitus solution will improve your case of tinnitus. Now you can better know your odds of recovering from tinnitus. Of course, it does not replace a good physician's evaluation. You still need to be evaluated for contributing health problems, but once those are addressed, this tool will let you know what solutions are likely to help you. Research has shown that there are several predisposing factors and only 2 common causes of tinnitus. We score the predisposing factors in the questionnaire called the Healthy Brain Lifestyle. It's part 1. And the 2 common causes in the Brain and Muscle Map score, part 2 of the Tinnitus Recovery Score. This tool uses simple questions and complex behind-the-scenes algorithms to understand your tinnitus profile and give you a report of what will likely help and how likely it is to help. Healthy Brain and Muscle Map stands for Healthy Brain Lifestyle and Brain and Muscle Maladaptation, an auditory profile for tinnitus. Well, that complicated name is why we just call it the Tinnitus Recovery Score. And that's what it tells you. What's your chance of recovery? The online tool generates a report to explain the results. The report tells you what may help you and why it is recommended. The results are divided into 3 sections. The first section is the recommendations. Second section is the summary, and the third one is the details. It's that simple. Check it out at TinnitusEnergy.com to get your Tinnitus Recovery Score. I'm very excited about this because it gives you the straight answer to your question, can I be helped and how can I be helped? Oh, I'm also excited about the future of this tool and the score for developing even better tinnitus solutions and more accurate predictions of which people will be helped and by what solution. I love helping people, but I'm also a bit of a research nut. I like research because I like making things better. I'm always working to improve as an individual and as a company. We have some very good scoring and solution tools and techniques, but I know we will get better if we pay attention to the details and the scores, and we're specific in helping people apply the solution. The Tinnitus Recovery Score incorporates all the following information related to a healthy brain lifestyle: quality food intake, sleep quality and duration, mind affecting body, mind being negatively affected by sensations, tinnitus interfering with activities, physical fitness assessment, and all this information related to muscle-brain adaptation as well. Tinnitus handicap inventory, the THI, with functional, emotional, and catastrophic subscales, hearing test results, tinnitus loudness average, tinnitus profile character, like buzzing, hissing, whirring, tinnitus duration, what makes a tinnitus worse, what makes a tinnitus better, neck symptoms, head forward posture, and TMJ symptoms. The beauty of this information, when analyzed in the right way, is that research has shown almost all of it to be strongly correlated with both tinnitus symptoms that can improve and self-help techniques that actually improve the tinnitus irritation and often the tinnitus volume as well, usually by an average of a minimum of 30%. When we take the tinnitus recovery scores and connect them with self-help techniques that were demonstrated effective in the research, that's what makes Tinnitus Recovery Score useful in helping predict if someone's tinnitus will likely improve by doing the Tinnitus Energy program. Of course, you could use the score to pursue someone else's solution. That's great. We want to serve everyone in some way. And we want this tool to become the standard for all tinnitus solutions. Along the way, we want to continue to improve both the Tinnitus Recovery Score accuracy and the Tinnitus Program Self-Help Solutions effectiveness, so that we're offering the absolute best services available for tinnitus sufferers and making them accessible to the widest audience. I hope you find them helpful for you. Stay tuned for the next episode. In an upcoming episode, I'll cover what is the best treatment for tinnitus from TMJ muscles. And the best way to stay connected to tinnitus research and therapy applications, as well as being notified of new therapies and video postings, is to subscribe to our email newsletter at TinnitusEnergy.com. Thank you. Hope this has been helpful. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you.